So it seems in the comments you don't particularly like my new mirror caps, so I guess I'm going to have to change them back. We'll crack on with that in just 1 second. Before I do though, as always, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everybody. Excuse the noisy car. I'd like to say a huge thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I've smashed my first target of 500 and I currently have 513 at the time of recording this video. My next target now is a massive push to 1,000 subscribers. Looking at my analytics, it does seem that 94% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a follow. It doesn't cost you anything at all. That's most important. It doesn't cost you anything at all to do that, and it keeps me happy and it keeps helping me build content for you guys. Anyway, let's crack on with these mirror caps. So if you remember, last time we done these, I broke a clip, so I'm going to have another go and see if I can get them off without breaking any more clips. Wish me luck. So same as always, under there, free it off. There we are, look. No clips broken. Oh, tell a lie. I broke one clip. Oh well. That won't stop it from... That's not the be all and end all. It still works. Let's line that one back up. Just like that. It's back on. Let's get over to the other side. This one currently has no broken clips. Let's see if we can get this off without breaking any. There's my neighbour. Right under there. Nice and gentle, he says. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Beep beep. As I say, the one that always causes the problems. I think it did last time, didn't it? Oh, that come off, didn't it? Unfortunately, it has broken 2 clips, but quite unscathed considering. But we can't help that. It's a risk we take when we do it that way. Anyway, let's whack that back on. Perfect. Job's a good one. What do you think? Look better, or should I put them back to black? Anybody who wants to buy them mirror caps, they will still work. If anybody wants them, let me know. If not, I'll stick them up on eBay and see if I can get rid of them that way. Before I go, help me with one more decision. So when I had all my black stuff on here, I had the black badges. So common problem is the blue fades. So I now have another set of black ones or a set of the original chrome ones from BMW. Which ones do you think I should fit? Let me know in the comments below and I will go with the masses on what you think. If I'm going to keep it standard, then it has to go back to chrome, but you let me know what you think. Anyway, as always, please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you like, please make sure you share, and I'll catch you in the next one.